Hi everyone, welcome to our another video lesson. This is continuation of problem solving under normal distribution. Now we shall see another problem. Assume that the mean height of soldiers is 68.22 inches with a variance of 10.8 inches. How many soldiers in a regiment of 1000 would you expect to be over 6 feet tall? Okay. Here we are given mean height of soldiers to be mu, that is equal to 68.22. And next we are given another data, variance is 10.8, that is sigma square equal to 10.8. But then we can easily find out sigma equal to 3.286. As usual, you substitute value of mean mu and sigma in the standard normal variate. So you simply substitute mean value here and the sigma value here. Then we can have this term is standard normal variate. Now we have to calculate probability of x greater than 6 feet tall. This is the question we are asked to find out. So that is nothing but x greater than 6 inches. If you convert this random variable x to z area, then z is greater than, this is greater than symbol. Z is greater than 62 minus, you simply substitute this value here, as well as substitute 72 inches, this 72 inches in this place. I mean this 72 is nothing but here x equal to 72. You simply substitute x equal to 72 in that standard normal variate. That is nothing but transformation of random variable x to z. Then the resultant term is nothing but probability of x greater than 72 minus 68.22 divided by 6.286. This is nothing but variance value. That is probability of z greater than 1.15. This probability of z greater than 1.15 lies in the positive side, of standard normal curve. Now z is greater than 1.15 means the area we want to calculate, this area we have to calculate. So to use standard normal table, as usual, we have to touch the origin. But therefore its entire area is 0.5. We know this. Therefore to calculate this shaded portion, we have to subtract this area. From this 0.25 total area. But therefore 0.25 minus area lies between these two ordinates. But that is nothing but 0.5 minus probability of 0 less than z less than 1.15. But now referring the normal table, for this value, this value constitute 1.15, 1th row, okay, 1.1th row. This is nothing but 1.1th row, and this is nothing but column value. This is column value. This 1.1 is nothing but row value. So substituting the standard normal variate value. Where is the stand? I am going to open the standard normal variate. Actually standard normal variate here for the value 1.15. Therefore for 1.15, where we see 1.1 and this is 1.1th row and 0.5th column. So 1.1th row, 0.5th column is 0.37. This is the value 0.3749. So this value 0.3749 we have substituted here. Okay, we are substituted here, but therefore 0.5 minus 0.3749, that is 0.1259. But therefore the number of soldiers expected to be over 6 feet tall equal to total regiment is 1000 soldiers. We are given total regiment 1000 soldiers. Here you see, assume that mean height of soldiers is 68.22 inches, but we are given how many soldiers in a regiment of 1000. So we have to multiply this answer with the number 1000, that is frequency, that frequency 1000. So 1000 into 0.1259, this is approximately equal to 125 soldiers. This is the way to solve the problem under normal distribution.